everybody. This is Danny from Malika's Creation, and today I'm going to be putting together a simple basket with y'all for any occasion. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, and let's jump right on into making this basket. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be adding to this basket today. So the first thing is this cup right here that we all got from Walmart. Then this clay mask going with the blue theme uh, from Dollar Tree. We're going to be adding this candy bath soap that came from Five Below. We're going to add one of those pretty loofahs that also came from Dollar Tree. We're going to add some ice sugar plum, a body lotion from Bath and Body Works, and some body lotion that came from Family Dollar. I mean, not Family Dollar, Dollar General. Then we're going to add this gratitude, daily gratitude journal. And I got this from the Bean store. And it's embracing each day with joy and gratitude. And it just has some very neat little things that you can ponder on for that day. You can put the date in there. It's no specific or rhyme or reason. It says share your joy, affirmations that you declare that day, self-care goals, just a lot of reflection on a daily gratitude journal. So that's that. And then we're going to also add this eye mask kit that I also got from Five and Below. It comes with two hair ties. It comes with a eye mask, some earplugs, and I think that's all that comes in that little symbol right there. So let's go ahead and jump into putting this basket together. So how's everybody doing today? How is your day going? This is Thanksgiving Eve. I'm just cooking and also working while I'm here by myself. So we're going to put that journal right there. We're going to also add the cup. I want the journal to show, but I also need that journal as a backer. So we're going to add that journal and then the cup right there for the backer. Then we're going to add this mask. We're going to put it right on back there with the journal to give it a little bit more support. Okay. So we're going to push that on down up in there like that. Hold on, I'm going to take the cup out so I can get it down in there good. So what are y'all plans? Are y'all cooking today for Thanksgiving, or are you just going to start tomorrow? My daughter is coming in from Chattanooga, so since it's just me cooking, I have to start today. Sometimes it's good to be the mama. Sometimes it's like everything falls on the mama position, right? So we're going to add that in there, and that looks good so far. So I got to pull it close to me, guys, because it's still not giving the support I want it to give. It's still not giving that good old support I want it to give. We already know that a little cut is going to fall. But I think that's it right there. Is it? Yeah, I think that's going to be it right there. Mm-hmm. Then we're going to add mask. We're going to just put it right there next to the cup. Like that. Let me screw it back so y'all can see. Sorry for not talking. I'm just trying to figure some things out. Where's my glue dots? There you go. I want that to go back a little bit. Okay. So we got that right there. We're going to add a glue dot to this eye mask so it'll stand up straight. Put a couple glue dots on it and secure it to the eye mask. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, would you please hit the subscribe button? And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to tell you that I really appreciate your support. One video at a time. I also would like to encourage you to leave me a comment so I can come back to your channel and support you. I know I say this all the time, but it is true, guys. You have to leave a comment so the other person to know that you've been there. It's not that they are ignoring you or anything, but if you don't leave a comment or some kind of clue that you've been there, then they have no way of knowing that you've been there. It's not that they don't want to give you the support. It's just they don't have a way of knowing that you've been there. So leave a heart, a high. It doesn't have to be much to let that person know that you came and support them so they could come back and support you. Because that's what it's all about, is support. And in order for all of us to grow, we have to support each other. So leave a comment. Oh, I popped that open, but it looks like, I don't know, that looks kind of weird up in there. So leave a comment so that person will know that you've been there, and they could come back and go to your channel and support you. And then there it goes, building a relationship, building a rapport, and a support system. So always when you go to somebody's video, let them know that you've been there, because otherwise they won't know and they can't come back and support you. And YouTube likes to see engagement on the page. So thumbs up, little heart, whatever it might take to help that person show engagement on their page, help them. Because I'm sure they would do the same for you. This is not a selfish kind of deal when you're on YouTube. If you're selfish, people will soon figure you out and quit supporting you. So support, you have to also, another thing, and it's a proven fact, you give what you get. So if you don't give anything to anybody, you don't go watch their videos, you don't go support them, you don't do nothing, and you want everybody to come to your channel and do that to you, eventually it might happen, over time, but eventually people will notice and then they'll stop doing it. So give so you can get it back. It's just, that's how it works in the atmosphere. Give so you can give it back, get it back. And that's just part of life. So support others so they can support you. I love supporting everybody. I want everybody to grow. I want everybody to be monetized. I want everybody to make it here on YouTube. That's just me. I'm not a selfish person, never been selfish, wasn't raised selfish. I just want everybody to grow. And I got a pen that I'm going to put in there, but I didn't bring it. But I'm going to also add some glue dots to the back of this cup so it could be secure. Okay? So it won't go nowhere. So guys, I'm going to find some little embellishments to put off in here. In the little let it snow, I put this little snow-like stuff in here to, go with the basket. And, give it a little pizzazz. I think I'm going to add I want to add some candy canes and lollipops. But all I burned over here was the candy cane, but that's my finished basket. It goes right along with the Let It Snow. I want to thank each and every one of y'all for taking time out your day to watch little old me. I really appreciate it. And until my next video, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening. Excuse me. Whatever it may be. when you see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. I got some little different kind of stringlies here too. I got red. I hope you have a blessed one. And if you haven't already, please, again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you part of my family, because that's what I call everybody here is my family. Give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and until my next video, I can also got this, guys. Everybody be blessed. I'll show y'all on my shorts, but thank you again. If you haven't, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button so I can show some, engagement on my page. I would really appreciate it. And if you are a returning subscriber, again, I appreciate you supporting me. Bye, guys.